Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, CNB Financial Corporation filed an 8K and a key director is stepping down, which might signal shifts ahead. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. While this filing isn't packed with numbers, a board member's departure always makes me wonder what is brewing behind the scenes. This is a current report, basically a heads up to investors about a significant event. For CNB Financial Corporation, the big news is a director's resignation. So Gary Olson, who has been on the board, is leaving. He is stepping down from both the main company's board and its bank subsidiaries board. The report is clear though, this isn't due to any problems or disagreements about how the company is run. He is leaving for personal reasons. Now, who is CNB Financial Corporation? They are a regional bank holding company in Pennsylvania. Their stock trades on the Nasdaq under the tickers CCNE for common stock and CCNEP for their preferred stock. They have about 917 employees and a price to earnings ratio of around 7.8, which isn't too high. Their stock has been trading in a pretty tight range lately between $23.57 and $25.44. Their common stock is traded on the Nasdaq, and they also have depository shares representing an interest in their series of preferred stock, which also trades on the Nasdaq. From a director stepping down, it is hard to get a direct financial read on what it means for the company's bottom line. However, a departure from a board can sometimes hint at future strategic shifts or perhaps a restructuring. It is not an immediate red flag for financial health, but it is certainly something to keep an eye on. Think of it like a key player leaving a sports team. Sometimes it means the team's strategy might change. One piece of context from recent news is that CNB Financial authorized a share buyback program in June 2026. This usually signals that management believes the stock is undervalued and wants to return some capital to shareholders. When a director leaves, especially for personal reasons, it doesn't typically impact a buyback plan directly, but it is part of the overall picture of what the company is doing. We also see news about preferred stock dividend payouts, which indicates the preferred shares are functioning as expected. The report is signed by Tito L. Lima, who is the treasurer. This is standard procedure for these filings. A treasurer signing off adds a layer of official confirmation from the company's financial management. In essence, this 8K filing is about a board member's exit. While the filing itself doesn't contain detailed financial tables or a deep dive into the company's performance, it is a piece of the puzzle that suggests potential changes or at least a shifting dynamic within the company's leadership structure. It is not a dramatic financial event, but it is a signal that the board composition is changing. For me, the biggest takeaway here is that while there is no immediate financial crisis indicated, executive and board level changes can precede significant strategic moves. The risk I am watching is whether this departure is a precursor to other changes that might impact investor returns down the line. And the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.